In this training workshop, you're going to learn the importance of a CRM, how to properly set up your CRM, how to automate your tasks, and how to fully run your business from anywhere in the world through a CRM. So the CRM that we use as an agency is HubSpot. And HubSpot is one of the best CRMs out there for small business, in our opinion, because there's so many things that you can do when it comes to integrating other softwares into HubSpot. So think about your CRM kind of as the brains of your organization. The brains of your organization is going to direct how your company flows. So what we're teaching is how to create a systematic structure, how to create processes, and put those into templatized forms. That way you can scale and build your company with greater automation. The issue with small businesses today that we find with a lot of our clients is even clients who have millions of dollars in sales still do not have the proper software, proper systems, processes, and tools to use when it comes to delegating tasks, for example, or increasing productivity. So in this training session for the lesson here, what we're mainly going to focus on is how you can actually use your CRM and work from anywhere in the world, no matter what. And that's one thing that we do as one of our advantages as an agency is that we have clients from all over the world, but we can work anywhere in the world. The team is remote, everything's in the cloud, and it just makes it a lot more easier to manage because there's also a mobile app. So for example, if I'm out to dinner and I want to check some emails or send some emails and track those emails, I can do that directly from HubSpot. And so we'll get into it. So the first thing you see when you set up your HubSpot account is your contacts page. Now, within your contacts page, it shows all the contacts that you have in the CRM currently. So these are leads, these are prospects, these are clients, and these are people who've already been serviced. The reason why you want to keep a record is because, once again, as stated, this is all in the cloud. So what that means for you is you can access your information readily accessible for you, fast, efficiently, effectively, and you can do it with productivity. Now, this is when you start to get into understanding how to scale, because as stated, what's going to kill your business quicker than anything is not having a system, right? So for example, it took us about 8 years to be able to get to a point of having actual processes, systems, and frameworks. When you have those put into place, you're going to be able to amplify your business. You're going to be able to run your business smoothly. So a lot of small business owners make the mistake of just winging things, right? Let's say you have a coaching business. You don't want to approach client X differently than client Y, even if it's two different business models. So one thing that we've learned is whenever you set up a system, you want to replicate that system. And the only thing that should change if you're dealing with service, if it's a service-based business, for example, such as coaching or consulting, the main thing that you want to focus on and prioritize is ensuring that you have your services, you have what it is that you're going to offer in terms of your messaging, and you have that done into a systematic structure, right? So you can templatize these things and put them into a system. That way, it's a lot easier to manage. So for example, if I wanted to go to a prospect or a lead or just kind of follow up with someone in our system, all I have to do is click on someone's email, right? Or their name. And so once you click on their email and their name, what's going to happen is I'll pull up one, for example. So if I was to click on this person's name, it pulls them up and it pulls up all of their information, right? So as you can see, this is when you actually go to that person's contact that's housed into your CRM system. So once you click on that, it gives you a lot more options to be able to follow up, leave notes. You can make calls directly from this system. You can log different notes, tasks, and meetings directly from your CRM. So what you're learning is how to set that up and how you can use that to your advantage when it comes to scaling your business and working with more leads and prospects. So for example, as you can see here, it shows everything that has been going on between a conversation between our agency and this lead, right? So within HubSpot, you can build out automated email templates. So I'll show you exactly what that means. So if I was to go to an email, and this is what you guys can do when it comes to coaching or any of your clients, etc., all you have to do is go here